What's up, everyone? I'm super excited to take you along on an absolutely wild journey today. We've landed in Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt, famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and endless adventure. This city is a true playground for thrill seekers and explorers. Over the next 24 hours, my team and I are challenging ourselves to complete 13 of the most epic must-do activities here. We're talking everything from world-class scuba diving in the Red Sea to heart-pounding desert safaris. We'll dive into legendary underwater worlds, race across the sand on quad bikes at sunset, and even discover secret mountaintop lounges with breathtaking views of the Sinai Mountains. The big question is, can we actually finish all 13 adventures before the clock runs out? The pressure's on, and the countdown has officially started. So buckle up and get ready. This is the ultimate Sharm El Sheikh Adventure Challenge, and it all kicks off right now. First up, Ras Mohammed National Park, the ocean's real-life treasure chest. We're diving into crystal-clear waters, searching for the most colourful fish and maybe even spotting sea turtles or reef sharks. Let's see what secrets this underwater paradise is hiding. Next stop, Narma Bay, the city's non-stop party zone. Packed streets, buzzing nightlife and endless shops. This is where Sharm comes alive. We're grabbing a quick bite, soaking in the energy, and heading to our next adventure. Now, we're stepping into the Old Market, one of the most vibrant and historic places in Sharm El Sheikh, where every corner feels like a journey into Egypt's past. Here, you get a true taste of traditional Egypt, surrounded by the sights, sounds and scents that have defined this culture for centuries. It's a maze of spices, handmade goods and authentic street food, with every stall offering something new to discover and every vendor sharing a story. Our mission: find the most unique souvenir, something that truly captures the spirit of this ancient marketplace. And of course, we can't leave without sampling the best local eats, from sizzling street food to sweet treats you won't find anywhere else. This is the real soul of Sharm El Sheikh, a place where history, culture and community come alive in every moment. Welcome to Soho Square, a futuristic entertainment hub in the desert. Ice skating, bowling, wild fountain shows and more. This place has it all. We're challenging each other to a bowling match. Loser buys dinner. We're off to Tiran Island, a diver's paradise surrounded by legendary coral reefs. Our goal: explore Jackson Reef and spot massive schools of fish. Maybe even a hammerhead shark. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Time to trade water for sand. We're quad biking through the Sinai Desert. Racing over dunes, then riding camels to a Bedouin camp for dinner under the stars. It's a full-on adventure movie experience. This is Egypt like you've never seen it. Taking a breather at the stunning Al Mustafa Mosque. The architecture is jaw-dropping, with towering minarets and intricate domes. Inside, it's peaceful, a true cultural gem. Back to the water at Shark's Bay, a calm, hidden oasis perfect for snorkeling. Quiet, uncrowded and packed with vibrant coral right off the shore. The perfect spot to unwind after our desert adventure. Time to unleash our inner kids at Aqua Blue Water Park. We've got the whole place to ourselves, racing down slides, taking on wild rides, and challenging each other to epic dares. This is pure chaotic fun. Now we're at Hollywood Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt's wildest entertainment complex. Giant dinosaur statues, movie icons, and over-the-top shows everywhere you look. Our goal: snap a pic with the weirdest statue we can find. Farsha Mountain Lounge, an epic bohemian cliffside hangout with unreal sunset views, antique furniture, glowing lanterns, and the chillest vibe in Egypt. This is the ultimate spot to wind down after a day of adventure. Time for a moment of peace at the heavenly cathedral. Inside, every wall and ceiling is covered in breathtaking murals, a true masterpiece. It's a must-see sanctuary in the heart of Sharm. The final challenge: diving Dahab's legendary blue hole. We're sticking to the rim, no dangerous deep dives, but the sheer drop and coral walls are unforgettable. Floating above the abyss is pure adrenaline. We've officially conquered Sharm El Sheikh. 13 challenges, all complete. What an incredible journey it's been, pushing our limits and discovering new thrills at every turn. Sharm El Sheikh blew my mind with its endless adventures, from the vibrant coral reefs to the golden deserts and bustling city life. There's truly something here for everyone. Which activity would you try first if you had the chance? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts and ideas. If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic journeys and unforgettable experiences. Thanks for joining me. Your support truly makes all of this possible, and I'm so grateful to have you along for the ride. Next up, we're heading deep into ancient jungles and searching for lost cities. Get ready for a whole new adventure. See you in the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.